Hello there. So today I'm doing my second colander pour after doing one for my last video, which I was very pleased with. So I've got the same colander, and this time rather than putting colour after colour, I have already mixed up a bunch of paints in a cup. I'll just make sure that's reasonably centred, although it's not a problem. And I've put all sorts in there, including my gold glitter dust, which I like so much, and I'm just going to swirl it round the bottom until I have all the paint through the colander. So I will do that now. Right, well, I went away for a little while just to allow it to settle. So I'm going to get my piece of plastic so I can remove my colander. Oh gosh, the colours are actually darker than what I expected, so I hope that lightens up a little as I do the tilt. I'll just take out those bubbles. I'm not sure if I've got enough paint on here either, but we'll see. I'm actually very tempted to put a pillow of white around it and then put the blow dryer through it. Actually, I'm going to try that. That is such a good idea. I'm going to pop a pillow of white around it, and I'm going to use the blow dryer on it, because those colours are actually quite dark. I would really like to spread them out a little, and I'll also run a little more white along the edges so that I can have it going over the sides. That's good. Okay. Right. So now I'm going to get my blow dryer. I always think it's funny how we have specific things in mind before we start, and then we can change our mind at any time on deciding exactly what we're going to do with a pour. So I will now put my dryer on. That certainly is different. I want to try and blow out some of the colours that I can see in there. I might actually take the tapered nose off and try the snub nose and see what I can bring up. Well, besides mud, I have got marble. Goodness gracious me, that's certainly different. So I'm going to put my gloves on and I'm going to tilt that and tilt the paint. So I'm going to hold that up so you can see it. The colours in that really are very, very pretty. And what started out to be something I thought was going to be a complete failure, I now think has actually come out beautifully. It's like, I don't know, it's just like marble. It's marble with colours through it. It's just, well, that is a lot better than what I expected. And I'm happy with that now, even though it wasn't what my original intention. So that was a colander pour that turned into a blow dryer pour with a tilt. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.